Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check Aternos status and your connection, then sign into your account. Once done, open the server page and select the console tab so you can monitor logs live. Stop the server before making changes and export, or back up the world if you want to avoid data loss. Make sure you have your plugins list and current server version visible, because you'll need them for the next steps when you troubleshoot mods and configuration conflicts. You now diagnose the detailed causes by reading the console logs line by line, looking for stack traces, missing class errors, or port binding failures. Once identified, stop the server and temporarily disable all plugins or switch to a clean vanilla jar to isolate the issue. Also verify the server. Jar version matches your world and plugins, and check JVM arguments plus allocated RAM. Inadequate memory causes the console to freeze. Make iterative changes, restarting between edits to confirm which action fix. You finish by re-enabling plugins and features one at a time, restarting the server after each change so you can spot the exact trigger. Make sure the console becomes responsive before continuing. If the console remains offline, clear or rotate log files, reset server settings to defaults, and if needed, reinstall the server. Jar while preserving your world folder. If problems persist, restore from the backup you made earlier. One key troubleshooting tip: test fixes on a clone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.